Good morning, my people. Good afternoon, good evening. Today we are going to learn question and sentence in English. If you want to speak more English, watch this video and listen. Let's start. Where is the nearest bank? Where is the nearest bank? Bank iri hafi aha iherereye he? Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? Amarinete yanjye ari he? Where did you live? Where did you live? Where did you live? Wagiye he? Where is the new store? Where is the nearest store? Isoko riri hafi aha riri he? Where are the children? Where are the children? Abana bari he? Where can I sit? Where can I sit? Ni he nakwicara? Where can I park? Where can I park? Ni he naparika? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? Ibitaro biri hafi aha biri he? Where do you go? Where do you go? Ni he ugiye? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Telefoni yanjye iri he? Where can I eat? Where can I eat? Ni he narira? Where is the library? Where is the library? Isomero riri he? Where are the books? Where are the books? Ibitabo biri he? Where did they come from? Where did they come from? Baturuka he? Where did you find it? Where did you find it? Ni he wagishakiye? Where is my pen? Where is my pen? Ikaramu yanjye iri he? Where is the nearest school? Where is the nearest school? Ishuri riri hafi aha riri he? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Ushaka kujya he? Where is the exit door? Where is the exit door? Ni uwuhe muryango winjiriyemo? Where do you stay? Where do you stay? Ni he turaguma? Where is the next stop? Where is the next stop? Ni he turakurikizaho duhagarara? Where are the document? Where are the document? Amadosiye ari he? Where are the lights? Where are the lights? Amatara ari he? Where can I get help? Where can I get help? Ni hehe nabona ubufasha? Where are the bathroom? Where are the bathroom? Where are the bathroom? Icyumba cyo kogeramo kiri he? Where are the clothes? Where are the clothes? Imyenda iri he? Where can I rent a car? Where can I rent a car? Ni he nakodesha imodoka? Where is your backpack? Where is your backpack? Ibaga yo mu mugongo iri hehe? Where do you want to sit? Where do you want to sit? Ushaka kwicara he? Where is your passport? Where is your passport? Passport irihe? Urupapuro rw'inzira rurihe? Where is the best food? Where is the best food? Ibiryo byiza birihe? Where is the store located? Where is the store located? Isoko ku ikarita riherereye he? Where is the best place? Where is the best place? Ahantu heza hari he? Where is the hotel? Where is the hotel? Hoteli iherereye he? Where did you buy your shirt? Where did you buy your shirt? Ni he waguriye iyo shati? Where is your laptop? Where is your laptop? Laptop irihe? Where can we go next? Where can we go next? Ni he dukurikijeho kujya? Where does she work? Where does she work? Akora he? Where can I find doctor? Where can I find doctor? Ni he nabona muganga? Where is the bus station? Where is the bus station? Sitasiyo ya bisi iherereye he? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Ugiyeho ubu ngubu? Where is the meeting room? Where is the meeting room? Icyumba cyo guhuriramo kiri he? Where do you study? Where do you study? Wiga he? Where is the nearest park? Where is the nearest park? Parike iherereye hafi aha iri he? Where can I get tickets? Where can I get tickets? Where can I get tickets? Ni hehe nabona amatike? Where are you parents from? Where are you parents from? Ababyeyi bawe baherereye he? Where can I get coffee? Where can I get coffee? Ni he nabona ikawa? Where is the train station? Where is the train station? Sitasiyo ya gari ya moshi iherereye he? Where did you put it? Where did you put it? Wagisize he? Where can I find bank? Where can I find bank? Ni hehe nashakira banki? Where is your new house? Where is your new house? Inzu yawe nshyashya iherereye he? Where do I get taxi? Where do I get taxi? Ni hehe nabona tagisi? Where can I take the train? Where can I take the train? Ni hehe nabona gari ya moshi? Ni hehe nafatira gari ya moshi? Where can I buy tickets? Where can I buy tickets? Ni hehe nagurira amatike? Where is the closest restaurant? Where is the closest restaurant? Resitora iri hafi aha iherereye he? Where are we going for vacation? Where are we going for vacation? Turajya he mu biruhuko? Where are we having dinner? Where are we having dinner? Ni he turafatira ifunguro ry'umugoroba? Where can I find information? Where can I find information? Ni he nashakira amakuru? Where is my lunch? Where is my lunch? Ifunguro ryanjye rya saa sita riri he? Where did he go? Where did he go? Yagiye he? Where is your office? Where is your office? Ibiro byawe biherereye he? Where do we meet? Where do we meet? Ni he turahurira? Where did you work? Where did you work? Ukorera he? The lesson the end. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more English learning story. See you next time. Ntibagirwe gukora subscribe no gukanda like kuri iyi video kugira ngo urusheho kwiga icyongereza n'udukuru. Reka tubonane ikindi gihe. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. I love you too much.